This is me, my hair, and Barefoot Blonde clip-in extensions. So you're first gonna tease everywhere underneath, on your crown and around your face. I just like my hair to be really big and add volume up top since I have all this added volume underneath. Spray it really good. And then I'm gonna pull back the sides to kind of where I want it to be. Maybe leave a little bit more above my ear. Take 2 pieces and you're basically just gonna tie it in a knot. And then you're gonna take a ponytail and secure those 2. I just wanted to have a messy bun right here, so go ahead and you can not do a messy bun, but I just did, that way I could have something under where I was gonna put everything else, and it just adds to the cuteness. Pull down pieces in the front and on the sides, and this is why you leave hair out above your ear, because you're gonna take these and twist them. And then pull the twist. You're going to secure it with one hand and then pull the twist up with the other. Secure this with a bobby pin under the messy ponytail, and then we're going to do the same thing on the other side, twisting it, grabbing the end and pulling the twist slightly apart, making it messy, and then securing it under the ponytail with another bobby pin. Look at the back with the mirror. I'm going to pull this up some to give some body. Hey, it didn't turn out too bad. So I really like this. It's fun. I hope you do too.